In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then go down and select System Settings. I accidentally selected the App Store, but you want to select System Settings right here. And then on the left panel, select Bluetooth. And you want to make sure Bluetooth is toggled to the on position up at the top to allow you to connect to accessories you can use for activities such as streaming, music, typing, and gaming. Go ahead and make sure that's toggled to the on position. And then make sure that your device is powered on and in pairing mode. So that would be device specific. So make sure that is turned on the other device. And then it should appear down here to then connect or maybe listen underneath nearby devices. You'd select that and then just go ahead and pursue with the on-screen steps of connecting, but it should be a pretty automated and user-friendly process here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.